Three Rivers Harley-Davidson Facebook short take. Hi, I'm Todd, General Sales Manager at Three Rivers Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to show you a new segment of motorcycles called Three Rivers Special Edition. Here we have a 2023 Road Glide Special featuring retro graphics, racing graphics, the 114 Milwaukee-Eight with 119 foot-pounds of torque, Chrome Edition, stretch saddlebags, and we matched it up with the bronze retro cast wheels, Prodigy wheels, to match the tank logo. We put on Yaffe 10-inch chop bars featuring the Tap Performance mufflers. Sound awesome.